Manju, how was the DGTM volunteering day? What did you like?
It was amazing, Nash. The one thing which I learned today is how to help people, and this society or this Seva Samiti Mandir, which is doing a lot of social activities, right? So today I saw a few needy people and few physically handicapped or very much who can't earn or do.
You went to Kidwai Hospital, no?
Yes, Nimans Hospital.
Nimhans, oh,
yeah.
Nimhans.
So we saw that mentally retarded people who can't do anything in their daily work.
Correct.
So they did a lot. We did a lot serving them, and then
Were they happy when they received the prasada?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
I felt really blessed, and I'm very much happy.
We are also lucky we have all our faculties.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And I thank HP and I thank Nash for organizing DGTM Bangalore event. It was amazing, and it was like a world class. And for me, it's like goosebump and heartwarming moment for me.
Thank you, Manjuna.
So the day was good, very fulfilling. I was happy to note that there is an organization that serves food to people, which is essentially Annadana, and a very fulfilling day for me.
Excellent. This is like the soup kitchen in California, in a way, but we make food. Very good. And Rika, any thoughts from you?
Yeah, very satisfying. Feels happy to do this service.
Very good. Rolly ji, you tell me, do you do such thing in your hometown in Lucknow in UP?
Yes.
You do?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
And how was this experience here in
This
Bangalore?
experience was amazing.
Ah,
Getting in touch with Sai temple is again
Mandir, huh.
Mandir is again very like connecting to spirituality. Why? Because my parents are also
Sai devotees?
of Sai devotees.
Wow.
So that is why when I read in the mail, the term Sai Geetanjali, so I made my mind that I come
excellent.
definitely. So that's why I was on time.
Very good. And what did you like about the service today? Hey, Karthik, how was the day today, your DGTM volunteering day?
So it's been superb, excellent, and probably today is something that I would
Special day.
cherish for a long time to come. So very happy to see all of the team coming together and doing this. This is very different from the way we interact on a day-to-day basis. And
What are the sort of activities you did?
I mean, we did some packing of the food, and then some cleaning of the utensils which are needed, and then some play areas. We did some moving of things that are needed. So those kind of activities.
Very good. I was seeing you in action in a lot of places. You are lifting a lot of heavy stuff. Any memorable incident you have today?
I think this whole of today will be a great memory, Nash, because interacting with the team like this will improve our bonding.
Good. We all came in bus together.
Yeah,
Correct. 30
I
people.
mean, so from acquaintances we become friends in this kind of outings, and particularly what I was recalling is that as we are working on, there was one video where HP found us both
Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard, yes.
So both of them were doing some
Serving
community
food.
surveys
Correct.
activity,
In Palo Alto, in California.
yeah, somewhere there. So I kind of recalled that when all the team is working.
Excellent. Great. You go today.
Yes, nice today being in Sai's death
Say what?
anniversary.
Yes.
So we started from the Sai
Ashram.
We went to temple here.
Yeah.
But we couldn't find 1, 2, 3 people were there. We have given. And after that we went to here one place, the scavengers. They will take all this out.
Correct. Daily manual
Daily
scavengers.
manual.
You
Yeah,
gave food.
workers were there. They have a very good big place there. The
Yeah.
houses were there. Then we distributed food there.
Excellent. Then did you go to our usual route of church and all that?
We went and there are some 2 churches we went. And then in the church we distributed some 5-6 people.
Usually I go on Sundays. There will be 20-25 people minimum.
Then finally we went on the last place, that is one small kind of
Juggi.
All, they all poor people will live there. So we distributed most of the food there.
But you were able to give all the 30?
Yes.
And there were still more people who wanted.
Left, I think. They got, then again he took it.
Very good.
It's a good experience, right?
How did you enjoy it?
Yeah,
Did you have fun?
It is a very good for our...
Did you like this activity of HP DGTM volunteering?
Yes, yes.
Very good.
Absolutely true. It was an excellent experience,
Very
and wonderful
good experience.
experience.
Excellent. Your Swami's blessings.
Thank you. Nandish, any comments?
I'm feeling great. Like doing this with my team is very special feeling for me. As I keep doing this in the kind of matas in the countries, and it was very special to associate do it with HP and my colleagues and friends today. It was like not a work, it's a pleasure.
Tell me your experience. How was Seva today?
It was good. We are fortunate to do.
So where did you go today?
Care market.
Yeah. What all activities you did from morning? Did you pack food?
Yes, we packed food. We helped in
Loading the
container.
Ah.
And, we went to market.
Ah, Care market.
Care market in the main circle.
Very busy area.
Yeah, very busy area.
Ah.
In the main circle,
Ah.
we parked the vehicle and we started serving.
How many people came? 100 people? 200 people?
1,000 people.
1,000 people. Wow. And were they all in the line correctly?
Yes, kind of.
It was not unruly, no?
No.
We took
And-
the permission from police also.
Traffic police. 1,000 people. How long did it take? 2 hours?
45 minutes.
Huh?
45 minutes.
Maximum 30-40
Pah,
minutes.
45 minutes. And everybody was given plate and all? Yes. Excellent. So Swami's blessing is there today that you come for this. Fantastic. Where did you go?
I had been to a small school
Ah.
and he explained that.
You went to
Swamiji-
Sukesh?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
yesterday. So Swamiji had to come there.
Sukesh, come here.
He has not come there.
How was the experience?
Great. We are truly blessed, Nash.
How many people you served today?
We almost served 100 plus